Alright folks, we're up here in the Rocky Mountains. We're up here at the summit here of this scenic roadside park, the first scenic roadside park just west of the Eisenhower Tunnel on 70. It's definitely worth stopping at. As you'll see here, down there is the Dillon Reservoir, which feeds Denver, their water supply. We got the cities of Frisco and Silverthorne off in the distance too. It's a great place to just sit here for a second, take some pictures, and walk around, stretch your legs. You should definitely stop here if you're coming through. Alright, yeah, so it's pretty cool up here. That fog you see is actually smoke from the wildfires. So it's a clear day mostly here right now, but that haze is really cutting down on the visibility distance, but still pretty nonetheless. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, please hit that subscribe button, and until next time, stay adventurous.
I looked down there and I did get queasy right down there. I was like, oh dang, that's a long fall.